Hello everybody, I'm Yan from Henan Name Brand Machinery in China. We have many products for the trucks, for the trainer, for the cars, hand push, for the cart, for the bike, many designs. Now let me see this trainer. This trainer body is very bright and transparent like glass. Very good quality. The painting, we use the spray and baking line to make it. It is not a painting, human painting. It's a machine. It is a whole line painting. Very transparent, very transparent. The edge is RV standard. This is RV standard. We could put the LED light belt inside here, okay? This part we special made a mold to make it. The windows, the material is the aluminum material, anti-rust, anti-water. Material is 304 stainless steel, high quality. Okay. Also, you could see the body material is very strong, very thick. You guys could see the side. Here, anti-water here. Anti-water put inside the trainer. The body is very transparent. Okay. Stream, the stream. Anti-water stream, RV standard. Okay, there is another windows. This wheel shelf, single shelf could load 4 tons. Okay, let's see the inside. This parts we buy the best brand in China to ensure the security. The edge is aluminum packaging. You can see very, very thick. Okay. You can see the door. This door is very flat because we use a special presser machine to press it flatten. That is the body material is very flattened. Okay, let's see the inside. This is the front door. Open the front door. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of set. Okay, we could put food outside here to sell it. There are totally three windows. Two size window. Okay, 3 windows. We could sell food here. Okay, the material we use are very good. This is at the solar panel. We add the alternators, we add the solar panels in standard. This top is a solar panel connected with here. Okay, net to supply electric for the net. The inside wall are stainless steel. Stainless foot here. Also, it's very strong, and very thick. Very thick here. Okay. Let's show you the inside. inside the wall. You could see here, no screw. No screw here, no screw. Okay, very good, no screw. This is a complete plant. Press by machine. Presser by machine. Don't use screw. Did you see? Very beautiful. There is no any screw here, no any screw, because it is pressed by machine, by press machine. Okay, let's see this one. There's another corner here. This is orange corner. It is very bright and transparent, like glass material. RV, this is RV stainless. Here we put inside the LED net belt inside this. Okay. This is stream, edge streams, anti-rust, anti-water. We put foot here, standing foot here, very strong enough. Okay. Also, this all the trainer window have material to keep the whole trainer warm temperatures. There is another windows. You could see the back side. Also very beautiful. Our trainers' main advantage is the material, the painting. Painting is very transparent, like a glass material. Okay, we could see inside door. We choose the brand, the best quality brand in China here to ensure the security of the trainer. Also, this package is aluminum package. We have a special mold to make it very high quality. This is not a human process. This is a machine mold to make it. Okay, you could see this side. There's no any screw here. It is machine press. Press is flat. No screw like other companies. It is okay. Here we could see here. We could lock the windows. This is the window. We lock the window here. Lock, could lock the open. We could okay. We could open now. You could see the edge, no screw. Okay, here, no screw. You could see here, no screw, okay. There's another window here, locked. Okay. Okay, thanks for attention. We could set it foot here, put the standing foot here. Okay, see you